Ever wondered what actually happens during a C-section in the United States? It might seem a bit mysterious, but it's a super organized and safe procedure designed to protect both mom and baby. Let's walk through it, step by step. First things first, let's talk about comfort. Before the surgery begins, the mother is given regional anesthesia. This is usually an epidural or a spinal block. What does that mean? It means she'll be awake and aware for the birth of her baby, but she won't feel any pain from the waist down. It is the best of both worlds. You get to be present for the big moment without the discomfort. While this is happening, you're in a sterile operating room, surrounded by a dedicated medical team. This isn't just one or two people. You'll have an obstetrician, an anesthesiologist to manage your comfort and vitals, nurses, and even neonatal specialists ready to care for your baby the second they arrive. Once the anesthesia has taken effect and everyone is ready, the surgical site on the abdomen is cleaned and draped. The team is constantly monitoring the mother's heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels to make sure she's doing great throughout the entire process. Safety is the #1 priority. Now for the surgery itself. The obstetrician makes a small, horizontal incision low on the abdomen. This is often called a bikini line incision because it is usually low enough to be hidden by underwear or a bikini bottom later on. The surgeon carefully works through the layers of skin, fat, and muscle to reach the uterus. It's a very precise and delicate process. Once the uterus is reached, a second incision is made. This is the opening through which the baby will be born. The doctor then gently guides the baby out. It's a pretty quick and smooth part of the procedure. As soon as the baby is delivered, the doctor will clear their nose and mouth of any fluid to help them take their first breath. And then, it's that magical moment. The baby is handed over to the pediatric team for a quick checkup, often right there in the same room. Many hospitals even encourage skin-to-skin contact with the mother or partner as soon as possible. But the procedure isn't over just yet. After the baby is born, the doctor delivers the placenta. Then, they begin the process of closing everything up. The uterus is carefully stitched with dissolvable sutures, which your body will absorb over time, so you don't have to worry about getting them removed. After that, the outer layers of the abdomen are closed. This might be done with more sutures or with surgical staples, depending on the situation and the doctor's preference. Throughout this whole time, from start to finish, the medical team is keeping a close watch on the mother. They monitor her vital signs, check for bleeding, and make sure she's comfortable. The goal is to ensure a safe and smooth delivery for everyone involved. A C-section is a major surgery, but in the US, it's a well-practiced procedure with incredible safety protocols in place. So, there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at a C-section. It's a carefully choreographed event that brings new life into the world safely. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.